National Democratic Congress in the Northern Region has called on the Office of the Vice President to immediately sanction an inquiry into the auction of medical equipment meant for the Tamale Teaching Hospital and other hospitals in the Northern Region. According to the NDC, the over $400,000 worth of equipment, which includes incubators, dialysis machines, among others, which were shipped into the country in 2022, were auctioned after efforts to get stakeholders, including the Vice President, to help clear their equipment.
There's also similar now, Dr. Ify Bell is a development chief from the city of Louisville, which has a sister city relationship with the Tamale metropolis. As part of her development agenda, she has shipped medical equipment in 2022 to help hospitals in the Northern Region, but efforts to clear the equipment proved futile until they were auctioned in June this year, 2023. Addressing a press conference in Tamale, the Northern Regional Secretary of the NDC, Mohammed Salam, said the Vice President and his team had assured the donors of the equipment that the Zosemlena of a tax waiver.
These publications revealed that the medical supplies valued over $400,000, which were shipped from the United States of America with the intention of aiding hospitals in the Northern Region, particularly the Tamale Teaching Hospital, Central Hospital, and the West Hospital, and other health centers, were unlawfully auctioned by the Tema Port authorities. These medical items, including oxygen tanks, dialysis machines, and incubators, were intended to enhance healthcare services in the Northern Region. It is worth noting that these medical supplies left the United States in July 2022 and arrived in Ghana on September 2022, on September 22nd, 2022. However, they were auctioned in June 2023. To expedite clearance of these items from the Tema Port for donation to hospitals, Chief Zosemlena Palace engaged key stakeholders from the Northern Region, including the Vice President, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Northern Regional Minister, Shani Alasan Saibu, the Metropolitan Chief Executive of Tamale Sule Salifu, and executive from the Tamale Teaching Hospital. The NDC Northern Region's own investigations revealed that the Northern Regional Minister and the Vice President's office assured the donors of successfully securing a tax waiver for the medical supplies.
He urged the Vice President to clear his name if indeed he is innocent of the accusation leveled against him.
Therefore, it is disheartening to learn that these items were never cleared. Despite these extensive efforts and consultations, medical supplies worth over $400,000 have been illegally auctioned by the Tema Port authorities, depriving the people of Tamale, Dagbang, and the Northern Region of potentially life-saving donations for our struggling healthcare facilities. In light of this distressing development, we, the executives of the NDC Northern Region, finds it imperative to address you, the media, thereby inviting you to take keen interest in pursuing this matter to its logical conclusion. Given the dire state of our healthcare facilities in the Northern Region, it is exceedingly regrettable that Chief Zosemlena's and partners' generous gesture to support these hospitals has been squandered. We call for a thorough investigation by law enforcement agencies into this medical supplies container auction case. Such recurring misconduct at the Tema Port should not be tolerated, as it may deter future donors from contributing medical supplies to underserved hospitals nationwide. Furthermore, it is a source of great disappointment to us that our fellow Northerner, Vice President Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, did not utilize his authority adequately to facilitate and expedite the clearance of the container for the Northern Region.